In today's video, we're diving deep into the top 10 groundbreaking tech and gadgets you need to know about in 2025. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or someone looking to upgrade your lifestyle, these gadgets promise to redefine how we interact with the world. So, buckle up and let's jump right into the future of technology. Number 1. Samsung Smart Monitor M8. A monitor that's more than just a screen. Gone are the days when monitors were just static displays. The Samsung Smart Monitor M8 is here to revolutionize your workspace and living room. With a 32-inch 4K UHD display, it offers unparalleled clarity and vibrant colors. But what truly sets it apart is the built-in TV streaming software. No need for extra devices. This AI-powered monitor lets you stream OTT content, play games without a console, and even multitask between your Galaxy Tab and phone using the multi-control feature. Imagine editing a document on your phone, switching to your monitor with a single swipe, and never missing a beat. Plus, with USB-C connectivity and native upscaling for low-resolution content, this monitor blends functionality with elegance, perfect for your workspace or as a second TV. Number 2. Skarper eBike. Transform your regular bike into an electric marvel. Ever wished you could turn your regular bike into an e-bike? The Skarper eBike makes that dream a reality. In just one click, your lightweight bike, be it a mountain bike, BMX, or a road cycle, becomes a powerful e-bike. This game-changing innovation offers 25 km/h speeds and a 50 km range on a single charge. Developed in collaboration with Red Bull Advanced Technologies. Number 3. Wibble Mini Wind Tunnel. Test your creativity. For the creators and innovators out there, the Wibble Mini Wind Tunnel is a dream come true. Ever wondered how aerodynamic your 3D printed car models or miniatures are? This compact wind tunnel brings lab-level testing to your home. With customizable sizes, 1:18, 1:24, and 1:64 scale, you can test anything from cars to aircraft models. The wind tunnel comes equipped with fun features like smoke displays to visualize airflow, an electric taillight, and startup animations. Whether you're a hobbyist or an engineering student, the Wibble adds a new layer of excitement to your projects. Let your imagination take flight. Number 4. MasterHUB, the ultimate control center for creators. Calling all creators, streamers, and multitaskers, the MasterHUB is your new productivity powerhouse. This modular control system puts all your macros and controls at your fingertips. With customizable IPS displays, knobs, and sliders, you can fine-tune your workflow like never before. Whether you're navigating OBS, Photoshop, or even Discord, the MasterHUB integrates seamlessly with your favorite apps. It's intuitive, efficient, and perfect for professionals who want to streamline their setups. Say goodbye to juggling between multiple devices and hello to effortless control. Number 5. Mirucam, redefining virtual communication. In a world dominated by remote meetings and vlogging, the Mirucam bridges the gap between digital and personal communication. This plug-and-play camera ensures you're always at the center of attention, creating a more personal connection with your audience or colleagues. With features like enhanced eye contact, you'll replicate the warmth of face-to-face conversations, even through a screen. Perfect for vloggers, business professionals, or anyone who values meaningful connections, Mirucam transforms the way we present ourselves online. Number 6. RELOD Touchbuds. Music without distractions. Step back into a simpler time with the RELOD Touchbuds, an MP3 player that focuses solely on your music. No notifications, no calls, just pure, uninterrupted audio. With 40 hours of battery life, active noise cancellation, and space for over 1,000 songs, it's perfect for meditation, studying, or just escaping the chaos of daily life. Its sleek LCD interface makes navigation a breeze, and its retro charm is bound to win over anyone tired of modern distractions. It's a gadget that lets you reconnect with music the way it was meant to be. Number 7. Clever Tachyon, the last charger you'll ever need. Tired of managing multiple chargers for different devices? Enter the Clever Tachyon, a 210W powerhouse in a compact shockproof design. With 4 USB PD 3.0 ports, this charger caters to everything from laptops to smartphones. The clever LCD display lets you customize charging speeds, and its GaN2 technology ensures efficient power distribution. Whether you're charging a MacBook, a Galaxy device, or both simultaneously, the Clever Tachyon adapts to your needs, making it the ultimate charging solution. Number 8. Govee Floor Lamp Pro. Illuminate your space with style. Your lighting just got smarter with the Govee Floor Lamp Pro. This isn't your average floor lamp. It's a tech marvel that transforms your space. With RGB LED technology, the lamp offers 16 million color options and syncs with your music for a dynamic light show. Control it hands-free with voice commands, or dive into the Govee app for endless customization. Whether you're setting the mood for a movie night or brightening up your workspace, the Govee Floor Lamp Pro is your go-to lighting companion. Number 9. Cooler Master Hybrid M, the throne for gamers and workers. Say goodbye to discomfort with the Cooler Master Hybrid M, a chair designed for both gamers and office warriors. This isn't just a chair, it's a wellness tool with built-in massage functions, adjustable neck support, and memory foam seating. The Hybrid M ensures airflow through its cold-molded foam technology, keeping you cool during long sessions. With adjustable armrests, lumbar support, and a sturdy aluminum frame, this chair guarantees comfort and durability. It's a must-have for anyone spending long hours at their desk. Number 10. VOLTRA One, a cable machine in your backpack. Fitness enthusiasts, rejoice! The VOLTRA One brings the power of a full cable machine into a portable handheld device. Offering 200 lobes of resistance, it's perfect for concentric and eccentric exercises. Its 4-inch touchscreen display lets you customize weights, velocity, and more. Whether you're at home, in a hotel, or even on a plane, the VOLTRA One ensures you never miss a workout. Compact, airline-friendly, and data-driven, it's a revolutionary tool for fitness on the go. There you have it, the 10 must-have gadgets that are redefining tech and lifestyle in 2025. From productivity boosters to fitness innovations, these devices showcase the best of what technology has to offer. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech deep dives.